What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Eve, and I'm here with a makeup video. So I'm not going to talk too much, just to jump right in. So what I'm doing here is highlighting under my eyes using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fawn. And I'm just highlighting underneath both of my eyes to get rid of some of those dark spots. And then I'm highlighting down the bridge of my nose. As you can see, my lip and my chin and my forehead. So I'm just spraying my sponge using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And I'm just patting that in. And I'm just going to add some Black Radiance contour stick. Well, I'm using Black Radiance contour stick to contour. And I've had this for a while. I never really use it that often, but it's okay. I think it's a little dark, but I work it out. So anyways, I'm just contouring down the bridge of my nose. And my cheeks. And now I'm just blending out that highlight. He must have did something. So anyways, I'm just rambling right here about, I don't know. So anyways, just blending out that concealer, making sure it's blended really good underneath my eyes and even my blending everything out. And you want to blend it on your eyelids also to kind of brighten it up. So now I'm just blending out that contour. And I just had a brain for it. I have those often. And singing Fantasia. I can tell by my lips that's what I'm singing. So, anywho's, now I am about to set that highlight using the LA Colors setting powder. And this powder is really inexpensive. I think I paid $1 for it, as I said in previous videos. And I'm using a Real Techniques, I think it's a highlighting brush, but I use it for this because it gets right in the creases. I mean, not creases, but like right in the inner corners of your eyes. So anyways, I'm just blending that powder out. And I'm not baking just yet. And I'm setting everything. I'm just setting under my eyes, my eyelid, my brow bone, down the sides of my nose. Everywhere I want to highlight. OMG. So I'm just blending out the contour, making sure it's blended before I set it. Make sure everything is nice and blended. And I didn't use any foundation. I just didn't. Lately, I haven't been using foundation. So, and now I'm just setting my nose and my forehead, and my chin. And now I'm going to bake, which was kind of backwards, but anyways, I really don't like to bake, really. Sometimes, you know, I do it because sometimes I forget to do my eyeshadow before I do my foundation. So to keep the eyeshadow from falling all over my foundation, I bake. So you can just kind of brush it away. So that's the reason I'm baking here. And now I'm about to do my eyeshadow. So I'm using the Carly Bible palette, and I'm using this plum color from the Carly Bible palette. And she has another palette out that I do want to try out, but I really like this one though. So I'm just blending that out using an e.l.f. Small blending brush because I'm trying to like concentrate it where I want it anyway. And I'm just spraying my brush to help make the color pop. And I added some purple. I don't know. Anyway, I added some purple on my outer corner from the Juvia's Place palette. So I used the Carly Bible palette, which is in my hand now. I'm using the mirror. And I used the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. And now I'm just packing on that blue from the Sahara 2 palette, if I'm saying that right. I'm packing on this royal blue, which I will show in a second. And I hate how I had this palette just all in the camera. I do apologize. Because... So this is the palette I was talking about. I'm using that blue. And I'm just packing it on my lids. I don't like the way that sound, packing. Patting it on my lid is a better phrase. And I will have a tutorial on this wig. So I call her Pink Panther. So yeah. And I really needed to fix it in here. I didn't pluck it or anything. I just kind of put it on to do this video. So don't be talking about my hair, okay? Because, yeah. So anyways, I'm just going back into that purple from the Zulu palette and adding it on the outer corners to deepen that up. And it's just this deep, pretty purple that I thought was so cute. And now I am going in with that plum color from the Carly Bible palette. And these colors don't have names, or I would say what they were. So now I'm going into that Carly Bible palette, and I chose this cute, it was like a gold champagne color. It was really pretty for my inner tear ducts to highlight that part. And I think I kind of over highlighted it, but girl, look, I rocked it and it looks cute, okay? You guys to do trial and error with makeup, okay? Everybody, these artists don't know everything, okay? They still learning too, so do you. So anyways, that's what I'm doing here. I am just highlighting my inner tear ducts, trying to give it some brightness because the look is kind of dark. Well, it is dark. So now I'm using this e.l.f. blending brush to blend everything out. And I didn't add any more product on it because I wanted it. It was fine. I had enough. I just needed to blend it out. The key to the good flawless eyeshadow look is blending. Great makeup artists have told me. At least I think they're great. So this is what it's looking like. And yeah. My lashes looking long. I don't even have on lashes yet, y'all. Look at those. Those are my lashes. Okay. Okay, so here I'm just highlighting my brow bone using that same color that I used for my inner tear duct. Excuse me, honey. I need some water. So, just making sure to kind of blend that out. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. So now I'm just blending the highlight on my brow bone. I'm blending that out with my finger because it was looking real ashy. And now I'm using that brush. So now I'm just setting my contour using this blending brush. I will try and link all the things that I use down below. Everything is very inexpensive. You got some Juvia's Place. You got some BH Cosmetics, honey. You got some real inexpensive stuff that I'm using. So anyways, I'm just continuing to set my contour because I'm trying to look snatched. That's the look I'm going for. Snatched. So now I'm using this Sephora brush from the Sephora brush collection. It's like a big, or maybe it's the small one. Oh, it's the small one, but it's from the Sephora collection. Anyway, yeah. To brush that off. And I'm looking cakey, but that is what the setting spray is for, so don't worry. Don't worry. Be happy. Now I'm using the Real Techniques brush, setting powder brush, to, I don't know what the hell I used that brush for. Anyways, I'm going into this Nika K Duo contour palette. Because I felt like my contour was kind of dark, so I just used that lighter color to kind of lighten it up a little bit, so it wouldn't look harsh. And I'm using that same angle brush that I used earlier to set that, more lighten it anyway. And now I'm about to set the contour on my nose because I kind of lost it with the powder, the setting powder. And I'm using a brush from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Renaissance palette to set that. Now I'm spraying this Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray to take away that cakey look. Voila, I have my lashes on. I did them off camera because it's hard as hell trying to put your lashes on camera. So, yeah. And now I'm using this Anastasia Glow Kit and a Ruby Kisses fan brush to apply this highlight. And I really love this glow kit. I really do. Like it don't do too much. Like it looks really pretty. Looks really pretty. And these lashes are just some Demi Wispies by what is that? By I forget, but I will put it in the link below. Yes, baby. I do apologize. My baby's calling me in the background. Oh, I gotta love that kid. She want me to fix her tablet. So I'm just going to finish highlighting because I want it to really pop. So I'm going to highlight the the tip of my nose, my Cupid's bow, and the bridge of my nose. That highlight is popping, girl. Yes, loving it. And it's like doing a lot, but not doing too much. Like, I love it. And now I'm going to do my lips after I spray. You can never have too much setting spray. Like, it just helps everything not to feel so dry and cakey. So I'm just about to put this matte lipstick on my lips that I got from the beauty supply. And, yeah, I like this color. So, yeah, I'm just putting on this lipstick. I had a glitch there. I do apologize. And I just thought this would look really cute. A nude would also look really cute with this look. A not so bold lip would look cute also. I just wanted to try something different. So anyways, I'm just applying some blush. And what I used for blush was just this pink color from the Zulu palette. I just thought it was cute. I mean, you can do what you want with makeup. There's so many things you can try. So that's just what I'm doing here. Applying a little bit of blush, not too much. Because I really don't care for blush that much. So I just lightly brush it on. So this is the finished look. I was trying to find some good lighting because the lighting in my house just not as good as I would like. So anyways, I hope you guys like it. This is just something I wanted to try. I don't know, sat down and just wanted to try some blues.